Good morning and happy Teen Thursday. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make the teen craft for September, which is this fun magnetic message board. But first I want to make a few announcements about some in-person programs we have coming up. So today, which is Thursday, September 2nd, we are reopening our Saluda Teen Space at the Saluda Library, and we're having a little back to school party at 4 o'clock. So come by, the space will be open. We're gonna have some snacks. We will have kits to make these message boards. We will have video games on the big screen TV, and that will all be open for 6th to 12th graders only. That teen space is only for middle and high school students. Next Thursday, September 9th, at Columbus Library, we have Chimney Rock coming for a Radical Raptors program. So they'll be bringing some live birds of prey that you can meet. That will be outside on the deck at Columbus Library. So make sure to check the weather that day. We will be canceling it if it is bad weather. And then on September 16th, we have a Mario Kart tournament, and that is at Columbus Library at 4 p.m. on our Nintendo Wii U. So we hope to see you guys at some of those events. So these kits for our teen craft are ready for pickup at Columbus and Saluda Library. And we have a few kits available. And our kids kit this month, we are also making for all ages. It is a tiny art show, so you can pick one of those up as well if you like. And it has a mini canvas inside with some paint and a paintbrush. And you can make a mini masterpiece and bring it back here to the library, and we will display it for a few weeks. All of the mini masterpieces in our tiny art show. All right, so let's get started with our magnetic message boards. So you will have in your bag a tray. It may be rectangular or maybe an oval, just depending on what bag you've got. We have 2 different shapes. Then you will have some supplies in there. You will have 3 bubble stickers, 3 magnets, 4 little pieces of scrap paper, a ribbon, and a large piece of scrapbook paper. So you will need a few things. You will need scissors, you will need glue, you will need a pencil, and you might also need some duct tape or a glue gun, which I don't have anything of those things in here with me because I'm not actually going to make it. I'm going to save this for one of you teens, and I've already made my example, but I'm going to go through the steps with you. So first, you are going to cut out your large piece of scrapbook paper to make it fit inside your metal tray. So what I did to make sure that it was the right size and shape is I put it under my tray and I put it face down so that the pretty side was down and the white side is up. And then I put the tray on top of it. And then I got a pencil and traced under the lip of the tray so that it's tracing the exact shape and size of the inner part of the tray. So after you do that, you'll cut it out and you'll glue it to the inside of the tray, as you see here in mine that I have finished. All right, then you're going to make your magnets. So this kit comes with 3 magnets. So you have 4 little pieces of scrap paper. You'll only need 3, but I wanted to give you guys some choices. So pick your 3 favorite. And you will unwrap your bubble sticker and you will peel it off. And you'll stick it directly onto the piece of scrap paper you want. So it'll stick and shine through like that. And then you can just cut it out, cut the sticker out after you stick it on the paper. And then you are going to put your magnet on the back. So you will have 3 different magnets for your board. All right, so after you make your magnets, the final step is you're going to attach a ribbon so that you can hang it up on a wall in your room. So I used duct tape. Whoa, forgot that my magnets were on. I used duct tape to attach my ribbon, and that has worked pretty well. You could also use a glue gun or whatever adhesive substance you think will really stick, because this is a little bit heavy, and your magnetic message board will be complete. I hope you guys enjoy.